Hey guys, ¿cómo están? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to go from straight hair to wavy hair real fast. All you need is a curling iron, and depending on how wavy you want your hair is how big this is gonna be. This one is not that tiny, but is small. It's considered small, and that's gonna make my waves tighter. The bigger it is, the looser is gonna be the waves. And if you want really curly hair, then you're gonna be needing a smaller one than this. So the way I do it is very easy and basic. I grab a little section from here. From this side, I push my hair back so it's not mixed. When the hair is in front of my face, it's close to my face, I try to make the waves back. So it's not like my hair always like this. So I do my waves to this side, not to this side. So I'm gonna go like this. To the opposite side of my face. And I hold it just for a bit. You can touch if you want to see how high it is. And you just wait. And this is what you're gonna get. Huh? How cool. Another thing that you may be noticing is that I start curling it from here to here. But you can do it from the top. It's preference, and for me, I like it more when I start my curls from here to the ends. This one, I'm gonna do it to the front because it's far from my face, so I can do it to the other side now. I start mixing the waves, the direction of the wave, because it looks better. And there you go, but I'm not done. If you have fine hair, really straight, thin hair, you'll be wanting a product or a hairspray to hold it longer. For me, my hair is naturally curly and very thick, so my hair holds it. A shine hairspray. And then I'm just gonna hold my hair and do like this so it looses. That way I don't have to use the brush. So now I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm gonna touch just a little bit. Remember, it's the opposite side of the face, and this one I'm gonna make it more from the top. So there you go. So that's how I do my wavy hair. It's easy and it's fast. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I will reply right back to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and share. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.